Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today guys, I actually realized this one doesn't work. It's just for show, not to use though, which is so annoying. They're selling some uranium bars, so we're gonna have to find someone that sells one of those. It's gonna be hard. What are we gonna do? Okay, let's look and teleport to Shindu. Because I was so sad. I came in earlier in the day to check on it and put it back in, but then I noticed it just doesn't work. So maybe this. How about you? Do you think it will work? Bye. You got a possum, add prop symbol. Oh my god. Paint. You sell snowballs? What? Wow. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna be really helpful. But they sell new things every day, so we don't know. Make. Oh, that's ice hell armor. That is expensive. Oh, gee. So last time we were helping villages, and today I don't even know. Maybe we should do some leveling up. Oh, maybe someone in Shandy knows. Yandy, I mean, not Shandy. Cheryl or whatever. How about the person in here? The guy who I did the quest. You. Shuba. Let's see what you got. You got chairs. Titanium armor. I'm gonna do it. Let me sell. Where's what do I want? My grandfather clock. So buy titanium armor. I need more health to equip this. Was it worth it? Last time I got killed by a piece of steak, I remember. Alright, let's see here. Oh yeah, it's you. What am I supposed to do with you? You're useless. Wait, what? You found this in the mud? You're useless. You're also useless. What is this? How about you? The vitamin. You. Magma sword, ice helmet, anvil, metal bar, titanium armor. Wait, so I need a better pickaxe so I can do all this stuff. Gee, what does this pass go to? A torch. Perfect. Let's see what we got here, what we got going on over here. Is it just... What is that? What is that? Area lock. Kill it! I forgot I'm level 25. For a second it looked like 75 or something. Oh my god! Run! Muckwood coming soon! You see a lot further. Oh, jeez. These people are independent. Go. Weaken. Oh, jeez. Can we make anything? Like, this will kill us, so let's get that out of the way. So we can make bread loaf. We need wheat. You know what? Teleport to Yandy. They might have wheat I can borrow. Well, obviously not borrow, because I'm not gonna give anything back, but know what I mean. Do you got like you're a plant guy? I think Shindu might have something useful of my use. Because right now they look pretty pathetic. Well, I look less pathetic than them. Totally. Okay, so Shindu has all this other things. But we need to be careful because I have like one house. Oh, there's a house locked. How am I supposed to go to all these places? This guy, giant mushroom. These guys scare me. Yeah, I should level up so I can regain some of my health. So I guess I will destroy these orbs. Like this one. This one looks cool. Let me poison it. Just for some reason that works. Don't ask. I don't know. Wait, there's a cow and a bunny squirrel. I thought that said funny at first. Yes. That's so helpful. So we need better health regen. Oh, I should have gotten more health. Doesn't matter, whatever. So maybe, can we do other missions to this guy? Like, I want to become I don't know. Wait, can we go to his upstairs? Yes. Maybe we can steal his things. I don't know. Why is it logged? Okay, so there might be actually possible to be able to do more missions for these guys in order to get more stuff. Greetings, warrior. Should do safe again thanks to you. You're welcome. Don't get any ideas. What? You can't do it again? Wow, I thought I could have like a new storage location. How rude. I want to steal those things. Where are you? My definition has been... I can feel my age catching up to me. Retire now, old man. Come with me. Are you sure? But what if King Wing finds out? Let's go! Let's get out of here! Frilly! Let's go! We have a new guy! You can turn him into a merchant? I don't want to do that. We can even give him tasks. Alright, so now that we have Frilly here, who... let's go. Frilly, hurry up. These guys are harsh. We should probably go to Newville to level you up. I mean Nubia. Nubia, not Newville. So now we have Frilly here. Okay, Frilly, attack. I'm his apprentice. I'm his wizard apprentice. Well, not an apprentice. I am a magic teacher. I have a guy who is gonna help me out here. I will teach him my ways. But first, we have to level him up. He's pretty weak, but I'm not that strong either, so I'm not complaining. I do have this bone juice that I will eat. Now I've leveled up, which I will get more health, just because I feel like it. I'm such a rebel. Really, you will have to learn the basics of my kind. What is that supposed to mean, actually? Sorry, Frilly, but you need to get really high leveled up so you can be like a lot with me. So you better get on the ball here. I will have to go in this mine alone. I don't have a pickaxe, never mind. Frilly, I will show you the way of whatever. Okay, Frilly. So here is, I forgot the name. Here is town. They don't care if you call it town. Don't worry, Frilly. Just be like, I'm here in town. But Frilly, I'm not only coming here to show you the way because that's boring. I'm coming here to show you. Actually, just so you can come with me, just don't die, Frilly. Be careful. There's this ugly guy in the middle of the passage, so just dodge him and we'll be good. And even if we don't attack him, he's just gonna come at us at full speed because he's a loser. So don't worry, Frilly. He's not gonna mess with you unless he would, but you have to get away from him. Shut up, Frilly. Yeah, where are we? What is this place? A new portal. Where are we? Heartwood, woodland village above Yandi. So Dustville, dusty village on the right of Shinto. And outpost 250 mile. The monsters here are level 150. And I don't have any portals. So now we're in Heartwood. So let's find someone for you. It's a Pantra, bonjour. Give me this. Thank you. What? Ooh. I can make my own painting. Okay, that's disgusting. Yes. Okay, that was disgusting. How do I draw a wizard's hat? There we go. Save. Select. Yes, we have done it. Now I can hang this up. Bye, guys. Alright, let's continue on our adventure. There's a windmill that looks important and it's locked. Never mind, it's probably not important. Okay, so there's nowhere to go. Wait a second. Yes! Let's steal wheat from them. I'll grow back. Right? I'm pretty sure. If they water it good. My inventory. You can only hold them in stacks of 5. Sorry, but I'm gonna have to get rid of the top hat. Wait a second. Items, inventory. I can just make Frilly hold all my stuff. Thank you, Frilly. But you don't have a choice, Frilly. Alright, let's go, Frilly. What? So we have to walk through these places to find. There's a Komodo dragon crow. No, Frilly! Frilly! What you doing, Frilly? Oh my God! Gonna get us killed with that attitude. This is a big mama human. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Frilly! Frilly, stay there! I'm gonna go in here, Frilly. You stay out there. Welcome to Outpost 250 miles. Stock up on your journey ahead. Poison spikes. Wait, there's a Coco Loco. Scales, feathers, cotton. So Frilly, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to keep you here. You're gonna get yourself killed. A traveler. My legs are so sore. No one asked. I dodged it. Run! There's a bouncy bunny. Help! A human bunny is chasing me. He has a human face. Totally. So, we're just gonna follow the path to make it to different... Ah! Oh my... Oh my god! He almost wrecked me. Buy item. Fried egg. Jeez. Okay. I think we need to stock up. Oh my god. We almost died a lot. Oh my god. That is scary. We should probably be more careful anyway. Gosh. Like, oh my god. So, we learned our lesson, right? Yeah, I think I learned my lesson. That if I don't behave myself, I'm gonna get myself killed. Oh, jeez. This is the town of Nubia. 'Cause we're on noobs. Because I almost died. How am I holding this stuff? Alright, so we need to get seashells. It's our seashell. It's a snowball? What is this? Titanium? Metal? Stone. Come on. Oh, I did it. It was become an apprentice. I became an apprentice and almost killed. Actually, I became a mentor. I don't even know. I became this guy's mentor and then I totally killed him. But it's so sad. I never actually got to get my own guy. I was breeding him and everything, but it wasn't working. It was. But there's only one thing we can do now. Is pray that whatever his name was is okay. I can't teleport him. He's over here. Bro, Frilly, sup, bro? Okay, so Frilly, I think I have a better idea. So I learned my lesson of what just happened. So instead of just going by myself on path, I'm gonna go outside of the path just so I can. Oh yeah, wait. I can. This will help me see what's up ahead. Oh, there's also horse kangaroo, so I need to be okay. So there's kangaroo. So is this guy? Oh no, he's a mad kangaroo. That means he'll chase me once he sees me. I know this because I learned. What do you mean click on one enemy? I wasn't clicking on anyone. There's a chest. It has lava and salmon. Berry. Yum. Right. There's the other one. Let's go. Oh my god, there's a raccoon moose. Now we have the outpost of 250 and 350. Now we have to go to the outpost of 450. So we're basically discovering a lot of outposts. Let's go. And we're activating a lot of teleporters. Oh, oh gee. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Oh gee. Oh gee. Okay. They're fat. They're fat. I had to leave the game, and my last save was over here. So now I have to go to the outpost of 350 all over again. We have to be careful. Some kangaroos trying to destroy me. Okay, so if this guy's kangaroo, he's a big horse kangaroo for some reason. Let's go around him. He just moved, which is scary. I think we're ending the video off on a good note. I want to do that. It's an amethyst, stone, and basic orange. I don't think there's a giant moose. Try to go after me. Now we have to save. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye and peace out.